What's going on, guys, and welcome back. So you've been feeling sluggish and tired after eating your meals and you're wondering why. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the science behind why that's happening to you every time you eat a meal.
Yes, science!
How you can fix it, and then a couple other bonus tips towards the end of the video. So with that being said, let's get started. First things first, how many times can you say that you ate a meal and then after that you just feel really sleepy? Well, let me just tell you that you're not the only one. This is a very common problem. I've suffered it many times as well, but there is a solution to it. So how it works is when you eat a meal, your body produces insulin to help carry those calories throughout your body and store them in the right places. And the bigger meal you eat, the more insulin it has to produce to carry all those calories in your body. So that means the bigger the meals are, your insulin is increasing. When it's done doing its job, it has to come down. So when it's coming down, that's when you feel sluggish because your body has done so much work already storing all those calories, and now it's coming back to normal levels, and then you end up feeling sleepy. It's actually really easy to fix. First things first, you need to avoid eating big meals. A lot of us end up eating 2 or 3 meals a day in big portion sizes, so our body is just forced to release all this insulin to help store those calories in the right places. Most likely we end up bloated and feeling tired at the end of it. Cut those meals in half. If you eat 2 or 3 meals a day, get it up to 4 or 5 meals instead, and it's much smaller portions. That way your body doesn't have to produce as much insulin per meal. Your blood sugar levels aren't as high. You're making it easier for your body to use those calories without putting in so much effort. And that's going to result in no bloating and no feeling tired at the end of each meal. The second thing is a very common one and an obvious one as well, is you need to stop eating all the garbage foods like chocolates, chips, buns, even bread, cheese, obviously juices, cereals, even granolas. All of these things are really bad for you, and your body has no choice but to increases blood sugar levels and produce all this insulin, help store it in your body, so just avoid them. Eat clean meals. Most of these calories are not going to do anything else for you but stored as fat, so in any case you're not only getting tired and sluggish, but you're also getting fatter. So if you can just avoid all these calories, then that's a big problem solver. An easier option is obviously just eat healthier meals. Get your vegetables in, get your fruits in, get your grains in, get your meats in, your nuts in, and a slight bit of dairy is okay. I don't usually recommend it, but I do love cheese on my pizza, so every now and then it's okay. Portion sizing and keeping everything in control is the secret to not feeling sluggish or getting out of shape. So the 2 bonus tips that I said in the beginning of the video are: 1, add in an alpha lipoic acid supplement in your diet that's going to help you with digestion if you're having any bloating or digestive issues. The second thing that you can add is apple cider vinegar. This is an amazing supplement to add in your diet. It's completely natural, and again, if you're feeling bloated or tired or you have any digestive issues, then take a shot of that after each meal, and it's really gonna help boost your digestive system, and your body's gonna thank you. That's it for today, guys. Nice and simple, keeping it short today. If you found this video useful, just tap that like button. Just give it a little tap.